In this video, I'm going to teach you how to order your data, and I'm also going to teach you how to limit it and apply functions to your queries. So let's talk about sorting first. I'm going to click my SQL window again, and let's say we wanted to sort this by alphabetical order last name. What I would do is select all from students, and I would order by last name ascending. So there's ascending and descending. If I click go, we should see all of my students in ascending order. Now I see a couple of duplicates here, so I'm going to teach you something special. What I can do is select distinct last name from students, and I can order by last name ascending again. So distinct will give you that distinct field. Okay, and now I have my distinct last name. If I do SQL like this, and I do select first name, comma, distinct last name from students, your last name, distinct last name from students. I want to show you what happens. You have distinct last name here from students, order by last name descending, and I want you to see the error that it throws. Whoops. If I click go, let me get out of this. I click go here, you get this error, but if you move distinct to the first name, you can do distinct last name like this, and then comma first name, and then it goes away. Excuse me. That happens when I hit save too often. So I click go, and now I get my last name ordered by descending order. So what happens is in our interface here, it's going to present last name first, but these will be variables in PHP, so we'll control the presentation. But you can't have more than you can have distinct inside the query. It has to be the first thing selected. So as we get into more complicated queries, this will make a little more sense. But right now, all that we care about with you guys is that you know how to use ascending and descending. So let's see how it works with, let's say, like freshmen and you're in high school. If I say select all from students and order by year in school ascending. Now there's freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior, and unfortunately, now we have this as our values. And the reason we have that is because if we look at our structure, the year in school is enumerative. Okay, so we can do that in that order. If I were to change that order, it would affect how it was generated. So this is why database design is so important. If I were to select all from, excuse me, I didn't mean to do that, from WebD or from students and order by, let's do order by, because you notice this is not alphabetical because junior comes before sophomore, and that's why enumerative is so important, just to further my point. But there's ascending and descending, and especially when it's an integer. Or if it's ID, let's say we wanted only the top student numbers, the highest student number. Let's order by student number descending. So that would get us our student numbers in declining mode. So there's ascending and descending, but you just need to know the order by statement. All right. So that is the sort.